we are getting on a train going to Aix-en-Provence. How's your head, honey? How's your head? We're on a pretty simple little train ride, a little local regional train, but it's very nice and clean and modern. And James is at our feet as always. Pretty comfy. It's got a little quad here. There's a bunch of police hanging out right there, keeping everybody safe. I got a nice view of the suburbs. So here we are in Aix-en-Provence, and there's an Apple store. Right inside the Apple store, do you notice anything different about the keyboard?
It's not QWERTY, Q-W-E-R-T-Y, which we have in English.
What else is different?
These arrows are over here. Got some fun little characters up here.
Oh yeah. Can't say ça va without those. Fun. Alright, here's some more fun stuff. Look at the top, up here. That's where the photo was taken. États-Unis! On the 6th of May. And then look at the top up here. All in French.
That's always fun.
James is not so amused by the shopping. He just likes the people watching. Oh, James has got some fans. Say hi, James. Say hi. Caniche Royale, yeah. Oui, yeah. Au revoir. How exciting, they have the store that makes my rain boots. But they don't have the ones that I wear anymore. They are no longer a color option. And I really want to replace them with the same color. So we're gonna keep walking. And that's it. We are heading back. A little short visit in Aix-en-Provence. And now we are gonna head back and get some more